Did you know that board games can have incredible benefits for children with autism spectrum disorder? Board games provide a structured environment that can help children with autism spectrum disorder develop important skills like communication, social interaction, and turn-taking. By engaging in games that require critical thinking and problem-solving, children with autism spectrum disorder can enhance their cognitive abilities and boost their confidence. Furthermore, board games offer a platform for children with autism spectrum disorder to practice patience and develop emotional regulation skills as they learn to cope with both winning and losing. Playing board games together also promotes family bonding and strengthens relationships between children with autism spectrum disorder and their loved ones. Through board games, children with autism spectrum disorder can experience moments of success and fulfillment, boosting their self-esteem and overall well-being. So, whether it's a game of strategy, teamwork, or simply having fun, let's unlock the power of play and embrace the benefits that board games can offer to children with autism spectrum disorder. Board games have the power to transform the lives of children with autism. They can improve social skills, promote cognitive development, foster emotional regulation, and support sensory integration. Through the joy of playing, these games unlock the hidden potential within every child with autism. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on supporting children with autism.